Hello, and welcome to an Energy Box tutorial video. The purpose of this series is to help you navigate our platform. In this video, we are going to walk you through how to set up and manage a new user account. Step 1. Create a user account. First, navigate to www.energybox.com and click the login button in the top right. This will lead you to the Energy Box platform. After that, enter your login information. On the left of the application menu, click the Setup icon. Then, on the left of the application menu, click on Users. A new page will load. In the right corner, click Add User. A form will pop up and you will need to enter the relevant information about the user: their first name, last name, their email address, and of course, a password. You can also define the user's position in the company. Let's say that Frank Smith is the district manager. Once finished, click Create, and that's it. You have created your first user. Step 2. Access user information. On the same screen, you will notice that the total number of users shown in the top left has changed. This confirms that your new user has been created. In the top right, we can use the search box to find our user. Begin typing their name, in our case, Frank, to find the user, and the user will pop up in the list below. Once we click on the user's name, a new screen will pop up that will show us information regarding this user, such as their personal information, login information, and local settings. Step 3. Update user information. Now, on the same screen, we can also update the user information. For example, we can update their time zone. In the time zone settings, by default, all users will be entered under Eastern Standard Time. But let's say that Frank Smith actually works in Hong Kong. Simply click on the time zone field and start typing the name of their city. Select the correct city once it is automatically filled in the input box. In our case, Hong Kong. Another important piece of user information is the measuring system setting. This is important because all of the data shown in your insights and other graphs will follow this setting. Let's say Frank Smith needs to use the imperial system. The temperature will then show in Fahrenheit and not in Celsius. After you are done with setting up your preferences, we simply click Save Changes. Step 4. Add user access to a site. Now it's time to define what specific sites that the user will have access to. The user can have access to the whole organization or a specific site or sites. Let's say that Frank Smith, because he is located in Hong Kong, will only have access to the Hong Kong location. Simply click on the site name, and then you need to define his level of access for this site. The access levels here are Viewer, Manager, and Admin. Any changes will be automatically saved. A viewer can only see the insights of a particular site or sites. A manager has access to insights and can also dismiss any notifications. Finally, an admin can change the setup of the organization. Step 5. Create a group of users. Another option you have is to add users to a specific user group. A user group is a collection of users that share the same access level to the same sites. This simplifies your workload by defining access rights only one time. To the right of the Groups panel, you can see Add to Group, where the list of available groups is defined. Let's say that our user, Frank Smith, is an admin, so we would like to add him to the default admin group. Please note that you can either choose the site rights or group rights depending on the number of sites or users. This depends on the way you would like to structure your permissions. More information on user groups will be in the following videos. Step 6. Delete user. Let's say that now you would like to delete a user. In the same panel, we simply click on the top right corner, the option that says Delete User. A confirmation pop-up will come up, and if you click Delete, that user will be deleted. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that this was a helpful tutorial for you. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at support@energybox.com or visit www.energybox.com/support.